welcome back to another video, another day, another banner. Guys, I'm whispering because I'm so shy. This is my best friend. And this is his classmate. Hey! My classmate and her little sister. Oh my gosh, guys! We're waiting for Shekinah right now.
Di ba kabalo na ba yan ka?
Guys, thank you! Oh my gosh! Welcome back to another video, another day, another banner. I knew that you guys were waiting for me to say that, but seriously, I am really nervous right now. And thank you so much for coming. I just want to say thank you to my family and friends. Thank you to my best friend Ian, and my friend Steve, Christina, Mary, my best friend Shekinah, and my friend Ranachka, Lanas, Dutchville, Theo, Berwin, and everybody else. Sorry if I forgot to mention the others. I just want to say thank you to my tutors in math, si Kuya Buboy, my OG tutor, si Izira, si Piluday, si Aubrey, and Stella. Oh my God, nakulang ko. Thank you so much, guys, for helping me, and thank you so much for comforting me in so many ways. Words can't really describe that, so thank you so much, and I really care about you guys. You helped me a lot in so many ways that I can't explain. So thank you so much, because you're one of the reasons why I'm still here, and I love you guys. Thank you.
Birthday. Sige, let's count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so supposedly we're about to sing the happy birthday pa day, but yeah, it's after na lang. So, let's sing the happy birthday song now. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Shana.
Happy birthday, Shana. Okay, so I guess we have to let some people have whatever they want to say to Shana. So, who would want to volunteer and say something to Shana? Give her a wish for her 15th birthday. Sige, let's have her tutors. Again, malalaking na lang ko din kay. Nakuha na lang. Sige, let's have Duda.
Hello, Shan. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and stay happy, stay pretty.
Okay. Sige, and I always see you on some of your posts that you have this guy, I guess he's your best friend, Kian, right? Sige, let's have Kian say something about for Shana.
Happy birthday, Shana. I wish you all the best in the future, and I hope you have the best birthday.
Sige, thank you so much.
hey, let's go! Welcome back to another video, another day, another banger. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Oh my gosh, it's finally my birthday, guys! My 15th birthday! Woohoo!
Give me a sign.
Sorry guys, I have to mute these TikTok videos because of copyright. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace! Sorry if you couldn't see Berwin, he was hiding behind me. My gosh.